Hello Slaters, welcome to another online session. Slaters, I hope you all have revised the chapter and practiced the new words and the meanings. In this video, we will continue with the chapter and learn more about relatives. Slaters, turn to page number 192. 192. Did you get the page? Very good. Now let's continue reading from the textbook. Place your finger on the text as I read. Family values. Ali has a huge collection of books. He has a bookshelf in his room. He has read all the books. In Ali's family, it is a practice to present books to each other on occasions such as birthdays and anniversaries. His grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins enjoy reading books. Ali's grandmother spends her evenings teaching poor children from the neighborhood. She has been doing this for many years. Sometimes Ali also helps his grandmother. Ali's mother also teaches the children mathematics and handicraft during her holidays. Now, Slaters, do you all like to read books? Which books do you like reading? Fact or fiction? Fact means based on something real, and fiction, it means something imaginary. Children, reading any kind of book helps us in various ways. It makes us more imaginative, helps us to relax, reduces stress, and gives an amazing boost to our vocabulary. Here, Ali has adopted the values from her parents and grandparents. Many families follow family traditions which strengthen the bond of the family, which brings them together. For example, some families make sure that they eat together. Some read shlokas at night before sleeping. And others play family games with all the family members. These activities are passed on within a family, help the children become a better person. Now let's continue reading further. Ali's uncle, who lived in Mumbai, has also started the same practice there. This shows how family practices and values are passed on among family members. Our parents teach us the difference between right and wrong. Our family teaches us to be polite, not to tell lies, help others, and do good. These are called values. Values help us to become better people. They help us to make our world a better place to live in. Now, Slaters, underline the word values. VALUES, values. It means standards of behavior, or in simple words, good qualities or good manners. So, Slaters, I'm sure your parents and grandparents must also be telling you about the same things. Telling the truth, respecting elders, and being polite, and also helping others. These are some important values that are taught to us by our parents. These makes us understand the difference between right and wrong. So Slaters, with this we come to the end of lesson 3. Before leaving, let's recapitulate what we have learned from this lesson. We learned about immediate family, extended family, and family values. We understood how elders within the family take important decisions. Also, we understood how family values help us in becoming better people. So, Slaters, I will meet you again in the next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.